Most people think they understand the fashion industry. They don't. What they see is the surface, runways, brands, aesthetics. What they don't see is the system that holds all of it together. Los Angeles built its fashion identity differently, not through legacy houses, but through production, through speed, through access, through the ability to make things move quickly. At one point, this city wasn't just part of the industry, it was powering it quietly. Factories, showrooms, sales floors, all connected, whether people realized it or not. But systems don't stay the same. Costs shift, manufacturing leaves, priorities change, and what's left is something most people don't fully understand. Today, people try to enter fashion through image, but image was never the foundation. Structure was. If you don't understand how garments are made, how product moves, how money actually flows, you're not entering the industry. You're standing outside of it. This channel is about that structure, not the version people are sold, but the version that actually exists. Because once you understand the system, you stop guessing.